Welcome everybody to Travel About. We are in Bentonville, Arkansas tonight to take a walk through the North Forest Lights. I believe this is the last year of this event. There's a lot of people up here. It was $22 a ticket, so not cheap. And we've got quite a little bit of hike to get to the place from the parking area. So we're gonna go ahead and head up, and I think our tickets were for 6:30, so we got about 15 minutes before we get up there. And it is a really nice night tonight here in Bentonville. Walmart. Yeah, this is Bentonville. It's Walmart everywhere. In fact, Walmart sponsors this. They sponsor everything here. So let's head up and see what we see. All right, guys, this is kind of like at the beginning of the trail to get to it. And we'll see this again tonight when it's all nice and lit up in the dark. But this is a neon illuminated octagon or something. Pretty crazy looking. It's going to be great tonight in the dark. You can already kind of see the glow now. We have arrived. Hey everybody, I hope this is showing up for you. I know it's going to be dark in spots. It's giving kind of a eerie feel out here. Right, I think we have finally arrived. Everybody, this is the Whispering Tree. The tree is going to talk to us.
Welcome. Your voice has color. Want to sing? Sing to me.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Louder.
You make me happy.
Energy.
When skies are
We
gray.
can send energy.
You never know,
into the
tree,
world.
how
Sing
much I
with
love
me.
you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Thank you. Until next time.
Thank you, tree. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hey everybody, these are little snow globes out here that you can rent and have a private meal in. They'll cater to you. Quite expensive, but an interesting experience. And this is 𝐒𝐻𝐿𝐲. And you know, we do try to find 𝐒𝐻𝐿𝐲 everywhere we go. And this is unusual that they let you get this close to it, and we are right on top of it.